The cast of MTV's new reality series True Love or True Lies are determined to trip each other up in their bid to expose the liars from the true couples, but tonight's tactics prompted more debates at home than it did on screen. During Thursday's August 9th episode of our new favorite detective show, the couples decided to play their very own version of the newlywed game, asking each half of the couple the same question and hoping the answers match up to see how well they know each other. Advertisement. Continue reading below. Related. Here's what MTV's True Love or True Lies does better than Love Island, but things quickly fell apart when the game got underway tonight, as John remembered that Chris had two sisters, but then forgot their names, and Anthony couldn't quite remember girlfriend Sophie's birthday. Questionable for sure, but it seems his answer prompted two very different replies from the viewers at home, with one camp wondering how on earth you can forget your other half's birthday, and the other finding it entirely too relatable. How can you not know your own girlfriend's birthday? Defo a fake, one fan wrote. Advertisement. Continue reading below. Bit on the other side, someone added, to be fair, I can't remember my boyfriend's birthday. So far, this series has seen the viewers find this whole guessing who's faking it thing pretty easy, but tonight proved more difficult as Chris and John were voted to leave the competition by the rest of the couples and viewers couldn't make up their minds over whether they were actually liars or not. It took an ad break and plenty of Danny Diaz's brilliant commentary to keep us guessing, but eventually the couple revealed that they were 100% lovers, costing the rest of the group £10,000 in the pot, and leaving viewers stunned in the process. True Love or True Lies airs on weekdays at 9 p.m. on MTV. Want up-to-the-minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our @DigitalSpy Instagram and Twitter account.